Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got my new radio here. It's a very interesting radio. It's an incredible radio. I did a band scan. You can do an ATS. I did an ATS on the shortwave band a few minutes ago, and it found like 3 or 4 signals, but only one was intelligible, which is WWV at 10 megahertz. And I'll turn it back up for a few seconds. Yeah, see, it's faded out now. There it goes. So, band conditions are not too good for shortwave. And it's got a short telescopic antenna. But I also added my 5 to 10 foot long wire. But I'm in my office, which is loaded with electronics, so it's struggling. I understand. So let's go to FM. Again, ATS, push and hold FM. There it goes. Now, if you look directly on to this display here, it's very clear, but I'm at an angle here and it's just barely intelligible on my camera. Backlight went off. It's even better with the backlight off. So it's scanning now. While it's scanning, I'm going to measure it for you just real quick like. It's about 9 inches wide by about 5 inches high and about 2 inches deep. 7-inch screen. Nice screen. Oh, my camera doesn't do it justice. So we're up to 99. It's finding a lot of stations. And I'll have to go through those quickly because there's music on FM like that. You can manually tune with this knob. This is the volume knob. And once you get those ATS storages done, then you use these keys to go through them. A thing that I would love to have, and I know it would bring the price up to several $100s, is to have a spectrum display on the screen. Oh, that would be nice. That big screen, yeah. Okay, it's done. Okay, that one's kind of weak. I don't even recognize that one. Okay, we'll go up. There we go. Let's see that. Oh, yeah, that's Tampa. Usually if a radio will pick up Tampa, especially in my office, it's doing pretty good.
So it's a legitimate civil authority. So say, for example, you're living in...
Turn it up a little more.
Right? A despot.
As soon as I do, it'll play music. So that's 90.5.
20 years, because God respects...
There's another one.
Decision-making process in every single one of us.
Some duplicates there because it's catching the signals off frequency. There we go. Loud and clear.
Yep, there you go. Nailed it. Matter of fact...
It's Suzuki.
If you've been hurt in a car crash, call Anna John Levine. Remember this. Everybody. Visit Cintas.com.
Oh, for IT. Whether you're just starting
We're up to
out,
29.
whether you're just starting out, switching careers, or a military veteran.
Some duplicates where it's off frequency. Okay, we're back down to 3. Okay, so I found about 25 stations. We can try AM. Push and hold. There it goes. It's a little too sensitive. It does pick up just noise every once in a while.
That's what tells us about when it comes to the operation.
Government Israel and Hamas.
The AM and FM band, it scans very quickly. The shortwave takes about 15 minutes. The shortwave band goes from 4.75 to 21.95. The AM band is US band, it's 520 to 1710. The FM band is also US 87.5 to 108. Okay, it's done. See, it picked up some noise stations or signals. Now, also note that most of the AM stations are over that way. So I should have put the radio in this orientation. So it would do better if I had it in that orientation.
That's a tough one. Still taxpayer dollars, giant waste of money. It was all sizzle. The Blue Jays rough.
It still picked up a lot of stations.
The nation's.
So how can we try it? Oh yeah, see the difference? See, it wants to be oriented this way, which I didn't do. Okay, that's it. I could do another scan with the orient the other way, but I've done that and it does pick up a lot of stations. Let me go back to video, and I want to show it to you one more time, the quality of the video pictures. Okay, we want to go to video. All right, okay, I know the card's in. There it is. And I shot this in a different orientation, so we put the antenna down. I think this is actually a recording. It's not me. So you can see that video is just really nice. I wish I could get that to work on what he's doing there. I can't get it to work on my radio. So that's it. I'm glad let me turn this down. I'm glad you like this radio. I got 3 times the number of views on this radio than I normally get in 24 hours. So I appreciate that. I appreciate the comments. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Have a great day. Bye-bye.